Listen and read the rest of the text.
Monday, the 10th of October. Morning.
It's early. Mum and Dad are still in bed. I'm awake early today because I'm so nervous. School starts at 8:45. I can walk to school from our new house. I've got my uniform ready. It's on the bed. I've got my lunch, sandwiches, an apple and a drink. I've got my pencil case. I think I've got everything, but I'm still scared.
Afternoon.
I'm home. The children are friendly and I've got a new friend, Rose. She's kind and she helps me a lot. My teacher, Mrs. Little, is kind too. And there is a great art room. I love drawing and art is my favourite subject. I hope the art lessons are good at this new school.
Tuesday, the 11th of October.
The art lesson was great today. The teacher, Mr. Pearce, is really nice. He says I draw very well. And guess what? My picture is on the wall of the art room. Hooray! I'm so happy. I think this school is going to be okay for me.